Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. As you can see, we're having a bonanza here. We just flew the Captor GPS-2 and we are on to the next drone, which is the Vivitar Aeroview video drone. So let's get to it without further ado. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, so let's have some fun. Let's just fly. It's a fun one today. At least, like I said earlier on the other video, the bad weather has given us some leeway, so let's make the most of it. Oh yeah, look at this. Always faithful, always faithful. Oh yeah. All right. Vámonos. Let's go. Oh yeah. This is how it's done. Oh yeah. Yep. The Vivitar Aeroview video drone. What a wonderful drone it is. Yeah. Gives me a great feeling. I just feel like jumping up right now. Oh yeah. Woo-wee. Come on now, come on. Yeah, it's just about the fun. It's just about the pleasure derived from flying this magnificent drone. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Just look at how it reacts. It is just wonderful. Oh, come on. Yeah. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, I just feel like jumping whenever I'm flying this drone. Oh yeah. This is how it's done, baby. This is how it's done. And matter of fact, this is the first time I'm flying it after I flew it under some rain. It was actually drizzling the last time I flew it, and I didn't bother too much because I know how tough this drone is. uh, this drone has come a long way, a very long way, and it is still braving the skies, still showing its style, still giving that fun feeling of flying. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how easy it just goes up. One great thing about this Vivitar Aeroview video drone is it doesn't need to be calibrated every time you want to fly. Yeah, once in a while you can just do it just to make sure, but it will always live up to expectation. Oh Lord, this is what I'm talking about, baby. Sit tight, enjoy the flight. This is your captain speaking. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Ooh-wee. No reviews today, guys. Just enjoy the flight. It's all about the flying today, baby. It's all about the flying. This is a show off. Oh yeah. Yep. Let's bring it back home. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I was scared there for a moment that it was going to crash, but what a wonderful drone it is. So happy with this drone. All right. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. If you have any question, please feel free to type it underneath and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.